Hey team, my 2-minute conviction today is the leader with the most energy wins. This is a principle I have lived and taught now for decades. And it's true even in our homes when we had our younger kids, and at 2 and 3 years of age, we were trying to get them into bed. And after busy days of work, Paulina and I would find them getting up in the night and we'd have to put them back. And this thing would go back and forth, and it was the person with the most energy who would win. Sometimes the kids overcame us with their persistence. Other times we had the discipline to have the final action. But at work, as you try and initiate change, it's the leader with the most energy who will win. It is predictable that you will face obstacles and setbacks and resistance. People will fear and avoid change. But it's the leader who has the greatest amount of energy who will win in the end. And this energy is not just intellectual. This energy is very physical. You need a stamina and a strength. You need an emotional tank of energy to endure these challenges. And you need spiritual energy to overcome the predictable resistance. But do not be deceived. There is a certain amount of energy you are going to need that is predictable when you walk into team environments. And so train for it. Get the discipline around it. Don't be surprised or discouraged by it. It is a law of nature, a law of leadership, that the person who has the greatest amount of energy will win in the end, because they will outlast the resistance around them. And so here is my 2-minute conviction. Guys, build your energy for the high stakes initiatives, innovations, opportunities in front of you, because you will win, because the person with the most energy always wins in the end. Have a great week as you build your energy reserves for the things that matter.